Stop hot flashes and night sweats. 3 simple habits. The problem and the promise are hot flashes and night sweats making you feel like a human oven, even in 2026? You're not alone. I remember waking up drenched, feeling exhausted and completely helpless. But what if I told you there are 3 simple daily habits that can cut down your hot flashes by 50% or more? Today, I'm sharing the exact strategies that gave me back my cool and my sleep. The cool down breath. First up, the 6-second. Cool down breath. When you feel a flush coming on or even just before bed, try this. Inhale slowly for 6 seconds, hold for 2, then exhale slowly for 8 seconds. Do this 5 times. It calms your nervous system, lowers your core temperature, and signals your body to relax. I do this every night before sleep and feel instant relief. The water bottle trick. Next, my favorite, the cold water bottle trick. Forget warm drinks. Keep an insulated bottle of ice-cold water nearby throughout the day. Sip it consistently, but especially when you feel a hot flash building. The internal cooling helps regulate your temperature from the inside out. It's so simple, but it works like magic, keeping your body's thermostat in check. Night sweat neutralizer. Journal. Finally, my night sweat neutralizer. Before bed, spend 2 minutes writing down anything that's worrying you. This brain dump lowers your cortisol, the stress hormone that often triggers night sweats. When your mind is calm, your body can finally cool down. I track this in my perimenopause planner, and it's a game changer for sleep. Try these 3 habits and reclaim your comfort.